This video is going to show how to create accurate OR gate and NOR gate SPICE models in OrCAD PSpice. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice 23.1. Select Place, PSpice Part, Modeling Application from the menu. In the Modeling application, expand Digital Gates. Select OR/NOR from the list. In the resulting options window, ensure that the number of inputs is set to 2, the number of outputs is set to Q, and the number of inverted inputs is set to 0. Set the propagation delay to 8.5 nanoseconds, the threshold to 1.4 volts, the hysteresis width to 1.2, the output resistance to 1 milliohm, the input resistance to 10 gigaohms, and the maximum high voltage to 5 volts. Click Place. Click to place the OR gate in the schematic. Select the Voltage Level Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place a probe at the output of the gate. Right-click and select End Mode. Select PSpice Run from the menu. View the results. The two clock signals generate an irregular waveform at the output of the OR gate. Back in the schematic, select the OR gate and press Delete on the keyboard. Select Digital, Gates, or NOR from the modeling application. Set the number of outputs to Q bar to invert the output. Set the propagation delay to 20 nanoseconds, the threshold to 2.25 volts, the hysteresis width to 0.9, the output resistance to 1 milliohm, the input resistance to 10 gigaohms, and the maximum high voltage to 5 volts. Click Place. Click to place the NOR gate in the schematic. Select PSpice Run from the menu. View the results. The output is inverted. Quickly create the required OR and NOR gate SPICE models and simulate accurate digital circuit behavior with the PSpice modeling application in OrCAD PSpice.